Hello class, Mr. Dairyman here. I want to give you a quick look at the project that we're going to be assigned in the next few weeks on our way to November 10th. It's a two-part project. One part of your project will be done in class, and that is going to be what's called the Adopt an Element worksheet. I want to show you that right now. Adopt an Element worksheet is page 23 in your notes. You have this already. So you're going to be assigned an element and you're going to write it right here. So this person was assigned copper, and you're going to be finding the element symbols, the atomic numbers, the mass, protons, neutrons, electron arrangement, all that good stuff, which we've been learning how to do. Plus more, there's lots of information, who it's discovered by, how it was discovered, a description, um, what it's found in, chemical properties, its uses, health-related information. There's a lot of stuff we want to find out about this element that you've been assigned. So this is the in-class part. Again, you already have it. It needs to be filled out and it will be handed in to be graded. Adopt an element worksheet to be graded, done in class. That's the first part of the project. Second part of the project, going back to our main screen, involves three choices. You do one of the choices. The first one, you could do a model of your atom. Build an actual model of the atom with the nucleus, protons and neutrons in the correct numbers, the electrons, correct numbers at each energy level. It'll show the energy levels in the rings and all of that. It will hang from a ceiling. A little note card will be attached to it, and that's what you'll bring in for your project. Or, if you're not as crazy about that idea, you could create a poster of your atom. The poster presents information that you have researched. I will show examples of that, of a poster that's done very well. And your third choice is to create a cube, which is essentially a poster in a little bit of a different way. It's a small cube about the size of a volleyball or basketball, and on the sides of your cube you'll present that information. So the same information that would be on your poster. So if you like hands-on projects and building things, build your model and bring it in, or you could create a poster, or you could create that cube. All due November 10th. 2016. That date could be subject to change if need be when the time gets here. Description for the project. That could be located. It's already in your notebook. You already have this. This is page 21, so it's already handed out. It gives us directions for the atom model, how big to make it, some suggestions on how to go about it, what to put on your card as you create that model. And again, I'll show examples. We'll talk about do's and don'ts, things you can use, and all of that. Down further is the element cube / poster. Tells you exactly what to have on it, what to present, and so forth. So again, you already have this information. Also, already in your notebook, this comes on the back side of the requirements, page 22, a little rubric on how you'll be graded. So if you're choosing the atom model, you'll only be using this side of the rubric. If you're choosing the cube and the poster, you'll be on this side of the rubric. So you'll be able to go down and see how it will be scored. Choices for the element project. You will be assigned one of these atoms or elements to research. Once you get your element, you will then use the periodictable.com or useful periodic table app to research. We could also use textbooks and other websites, any resource that you want to use to get all the information that you need to get for your atom. Okay, so this is basic how we're going to get started with the project. The first thing, once again, is the Adopt an Element worksheet. You're going to get started on this today, actually. Some of you will be starting it in independent. Some of you might even get to it in direct. Not as much collaborative because you have a lab to finish. If you need, if you have questions about the project, you can come back and watch this video anytime. It's going to be a good experience, and we need to get started. I will have more examples, answer questions, give you information that will help you to complete the project. Signing off, Mr. Dairyman. Let's get started, and good luck.